Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 supports Dolby Atmos. Now to check if the Poco C75 supports Dolby Atmos or not, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search Dolby Atmos. Now from here, as you can see, there is no option to enable Dolby Atmos. Now from here, go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Sound Effects. Now from here, just tap on Sound Effects. Now as you can see, there is no option to enable Dolby Atmos, which means the Poco C75 does not support Dolby Atmos. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 supports Dolby Atmos or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.